So hi everyone, hope you all are good. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can just fix your iPhone 11 smartphone ghost touch issue. So to solve this problem, what you have to do is at first go to the settings. Now here you see accessibility. Now here touch. Now here you see touch accommodations. Now you have to turn on it and you have to turn on this ignore repeat also. After it your problem will be solved. In case if this also failed, then what you can do is you see the tempered glass in your smartphone, try to remove it and just get a new tempered glass. There is like I have seen it in many people cases that the tempered glass when it gets too old, this cause this ghost touch issue.